What is going on, my guys? I recently just posted some tutorials, and by tutorials I probably mean just tutorial. The second one might not have been uploaded yet, but I just made a new bot. No, this one was not made with Discord Bot Maker. Sorry, I could probably figure out how to make it with that if you are interested, but basically I made a new bot. Recently I've found out that there is a specific link, but there's also been more over the years of Discord, and there will be more to come, obviously. That there's a link that has been going around from bots, like spam bot accounts. They're fake user accounts. They're not like tagged with bot or anything, and they're going around servers and advertising a NSFW link. And usually this is obviously a problem, but it's more of a problem right now because they're joining servers that have younger audiences in them, and that is not okay. So what can we do about that? Well, I made a bot here. It's called Bot Blocker. Basically what this will do is what we have on our servers, links that we know on our servers that are spam links, if our bot detects that link posted in the server, it will prompt you with a verification message. If you fail to verify that you are human, it will ban you and deem you as a spam bot account. What that means is, now if that account that just got banned tries to join any server that this bot is part of, it will detect that this account was already deemed a bot account and immediately ban you from that server. This is to protect every innocent server out there who has not been exposed to this quite yet. Obviously this bot cannot detect every single user because the bots can use different links that I have not been aware of yet, or the bots have already been in your server when the bot has joined. I'm still working on a scan command that will scan your server for any bots, but if you already have bots in your server and you invite mine there, it will not detect those accounts until they send one of those links in your channels. So let's get into it. Let me show you how this works. Divine Discord bots were the first bot listing site to take my bot. I still have mine waiting for approval on others, but Divine was kind enough to look at my project, say that was a great idea, and one of them, like, well, I forgot who, but they immediately accepted it, and I thought that was really cool. So you go into here, you go to this invite, or whatever invite you use, you invite the bot to your server. So the only server I have right now is test server, and let's look at these permissions. So I put administrator on here anyway, just in case you don't want to worry about anything like the bot having any errors, but these are definitely permissions that it needs. View audit log, it doesn't actually need it, but it would be helpful if it had it. The rest of these, it 100% needs these permissions, except for administration or administrator and this one, but I would recommend it. So test server, if you don't give it ban permissions, it will tell you that it can't ban that user, but it would just be easier if you let it ban. Once the bot is in your server, you got your basic things like you got your commands here. It tells you what there is. There's obviously not a lot. All there is here is like log channel, logging, and protection, and then help, of course. So you can type help, and then you have your basic help command layout, and on top of that you also have you can do help logging, and it will tell you what logging does. You can also do the same thing. I'll give you an example as well. You can also do the same thing for, you can do help protection. It'll tell you what protection does. Now, here's how you work the bot. Once the bot is in your server, you need to do two things. One, you need to make a channel for logging. Well, you don't need to, but it would be helpful. So logs. Let's make I'll just say that's logs, right? You want to do log channel, and then at the channel, so log channel logs. So now that is set as your logging channel. So every time a bot bans somebody or prevents somebody from joining the server, or somebody joins the server and they can't ban them for some reason, like if you didn't give them permission, it will tell you in the logs. And then you want to do logging on. So now logging is on. So you need to do that or else it will not start logging. You have to turn it on. Once protection is turned on, you gotta make sure protection is turned on, which I did not turn on. You do protection I can't type. You do protection on. So now protection is enabled. So every time somebody posts a link that has been titled as spam in our servers, not just anywhere, if like you recognize a link that's spam, we need to have verified that it is a spam link, and then our bot will do it. If our bot does not detect a link that you know is a spam link, please join our help server, our HQ, which I will put a link down in the description for. Tell us that our bot is missing a link, or like bots are making new links and you want us to block it. So privatepage.vip, this is the link that is going around and what made me make this bot. So every time you type this, it will delete the message, and then it will at you and say, this link has been deemed a bot account link and has been removed. Please type verify to prove you are human and not get banned. It will ban you in 60 seconds if you do not type this, which is verify. Once you verify, your account's good, whatever. If you do it again, the same process happens. But it's not just for that link. Another one I saw was bestdatefor.me. You do that, and it will give you the same process. I'm gonna wait out the 60 seconds, and then I'll show you what happens when you do not verify yourself. Alright guys, we are coming up on the 1 minute mark here. It's gonna ban my account from this server. I had to, yep, there it goes. I had to transfer ownership to my other account because this process would not have worked if I stayed the server owner. Not only would it not have banned me, it would not have been able to deem me as a bot account, because you can't deem a bot or the server owner as a bot account. I am not going to change that, because if I did that, that wouldn't be fair. So I had to redo this. That's why there's two messages here, as you can see. All right, sorry for the cut there. I had to restart something. So it looks like the bot is, it says that it's offline. It's not offline. If I come over to my Discord account here, you can see that it is online. So I got banned from that server, and I've been deemed a bot user account. You can see here it went from, and it's doing that, but if you cut back, you'll see that it went from 18 users to 19 blocked users. To test this, we can go to bot blocker HQ, and when I do that, I got instantly banned. Now if we go back to here, it says banned. You've been deemed a bot user account from another server. As a result, you are being banned from every server you wish to join that I am part of. We do not offer appeals. If you wish to be unbanned, please ask the server owner, and the server owner can ask my creator to remove you from the banned list. So basically, if you want to be unbanned, you have to ask the server owner, and the server owner has to come to me directly and ask for you to be removed from the ban list. I need a very good reason. If you were a bot account, I'm not going to remove you from the ban list. If you were an account that was just testing a bot thing, and maybe you accidentally got banned and you couldn't fix it, I'll have some leeway. However, I'm going to check the logs on that. From there, we can go to here into our bot blocker HQ. Come on down, and you can see mod logs is here. We go to mod logs, and it says bot blocker. Oh, that's the bot. Prevented fake user joining. I prevented a user that was deemed a fake bot user from joining the server. It gives you the username from when they joined, and it gives you their user ID. So guys, that is bot blocker. I'm really hoping that this becomes a thing, because I can see this bot blocking all these spam accounts and preventing them from harming our servers. Discord has definitely recognized this is an issue and acknowledged the issue, and they're working on how to fix it. However, if you have any common sense, you'll know that Discord cannot prevent everything, because it is a simple machine that can have a different IP address that just changes different accounts and goes to different servers. There's nothing they can really do about that. The only way to prevent that is to prevent anybody from using it, pretty much. There's nothing they can do, is what I'm saying. They can definitely put some higher security measures, but I feel like this is the best approach to go for it. If everybody adds this bot to their server, like for instance, if I have a bot on my server and you have this bot on your server, when my server bans a user for being a spam account, that spam account will not only be banned from my server, if they try to join your server or anybody else's server that has my bot, it will be banned permanently, instantly, and not even allowed to join the server. This is definitely the security that we need and something that Discord has not given to us yet. So please, I urge you to add this bot. It's already taking action against accounts, and I really want it to help you too. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please leave a thumbs up. Also share this with anybody you know is having this issue. Even if you're not having this issue, this, like I said, this bot is not going to just be banning accounts that are sharing NSFW links. They're going to be banning accounts that are sharing malicious links, like, hey, get this hacked, or hey, I'm selling like free cheats here, or come buy whatever this is, I don't know, some, or bitcoins, free bitcoins, you know, like stuff like that. It's going to be banning more than just these NSFW links. If you know anybody who has this issue, or if you just want to prevent yourself from this issue early on so that you never have to have this issue, please invite this bot. Everybody who invites this bot is helping us work toward a better Discord. And no, I'm not talking about the better Discord that is against the TOS. So that's the end of this video. Thanks guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.